Okay guys, I broke a bandsaw blade the other day. This is on a central machinery horizontal vertical bandsaw, and today I'm gonna go through show y'all how to put one on. One thing I always forget when I'm changing these blades is this right here. It slides down, and with it down, you've got this knob here that comes off. With it down, your door won't open. Just slide that up. Now the door will open, and you can get into your wheels. I'm putting a 14 tooth blade on. I've been sawing a lot of aluminum and things like that. Running steel, I usually run an 18 tooth. But for like aluminum, brass, 14 tooth seems to work pretty good. You've got these two covers right here. One down here, one up here. I just got two Phillips screws on the top one. I think there's one on the bottom. You don't have to take them completely out. Just loosen them up. It should slide right out there like that. Same way down here on the bottom. Just makes it a little easier to get them in. Make sure you loosen this one up. That tightens it, pulls it up, puts your tension on your blade. And then just make sure your teeth are going the right way. See, it turns this way, so you want your teeth pointed to pull that way. If you put it on backwards, it's just going to wire your blade out and it's not going to cut. I'll start by putting it on the bottom to start with. And then it's a little bit of a pain to get them into these. Sometimes you're better off sticking in it first. And I may have to adjust that just a little bit. Yeah, let me loosen that. There we go. That's just kind of like a cam type system. So as you turn it, it puts tension on your blade. I'm going to leave that loose for now. I'll tighten it up later. And then just work it on the bottom. Well, maybe. One thing you can do once you get it close to position, kind of keep it held in, you can slip your guards back in. It'll help keep it on there. Do the same up here. Slip my guard back in. It'll help keep just a little tension on there. Keep it from wanting to kick out. This one screw back in behind your wheel, especially when you've got it turned all the way down. You can turn it up and get to it a little better, but I don't want to put any tension on it yet until I get it on. Helps if you've got another set of hands, kind of help you hold everything together. We'll start putting a little tension on it. Be careful, these things are sharp. Just take your time. That's basically it. I'm gonna put the knobs back on. Kind of learned by the sound of when it's out right. Maybe just a little tight. I can back it back off. Make sure that top screw's tight before I turn it on. Mainly want to make sure that will still roll. You don't want to get it so tight that it don't want to roll. Before you turn it on, close your cover here, and if something does happen, it does fly off. It's not going to fly off there and cut you or something. My plug in. Yeah, make sure you unplug it when you're doing something like that. Plugged up. I'm just going to bump the power on and back off. That's it. Everything works. Still good and tight. So that's how you change the blade on your central machinery vertical, horizontal metal cutting bandsaw. Hope this helps. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. Give me a thumbs up. Ring that bell if you subscribe. That way you get notifications anytime I do anything. So thanks for watching.